Hello everyone. Welcome back to Behind the Crown, your go-to spot for all the latest royal family news. Today, we're diving into Meghan Markle's latest fashion controversy. And trust me, it's sparking huge reactions online. When Meghan Markle arrived at Paris Fashion Week, wrapped in a Balenciaga cape-style suit, it was meant to be a mic drop moment. But instead, it landed like thunder with no echo. All drama, little magic. The sweeping silhouette swallowed her frame, dulling her usual polish. The power suit, once her signature of modern confidence, turned into a sermon in fabric. Balenciaga's sculptural draping can be sublime on the runway. But on Meghan, it felt heavy, almost funereal. It was a sharp break from the crisp minimalism that once defined her royal style, the same aesthetic that often invited comparisons with Princess Kate. This wasn't Meghan's first flirtation with the cape. In 2018, she stunned in Fiji wearing a blue sapphire gown, power and poise in perfect harmony. In 2020, she closed her royal chapter in a fiery red version at the Mountbatten Festival of Music. Bold, commanding, unforgettable. Those looks had presence and lift. They telegraphed strength without losing grace. But her latest appearance in Paris felt different. Closer to Britain than she's been in nearly 2 years, Meghan's dramatic draped look seemed to carry more weight than intention. The proportions tipped from bold into brutal. Less modern icon, more miscast movie villain. A silhouette built for the runway, not for real life. Balenciaga under Demna thrives on extremes and provocation, a fashion house for the hyper-styled, not the hesitant. And against that backdrop, Meghan's choice looked less like confidence and more like calculation. After debuting in a white cape-style suit, she doubled down, appearing next in a black Balenciaga cape dress meant to eclipse the first. But instead of evolution, the shift from light to dark only deepened the sense that she had stepped into someone else's story. Prince Harry's wife walked straight into a brand rehabilitation narrative she didn't need. What could have been a reinvention of the little black dress felt more like an over-managed gamble. Polished, but hollow. This time, Meghan's risk didn't read as a masterstroke, but as a misfire. Proof that not every runway provocation translates into real-life chic. Proof that not every runway look translates to real-life chic. Thanks for watching Behind the Crown. What do you think? Bold fashion statement or total miss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates from the world of the British royals. See you next time.